Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the ms-gamingoverlay message. So the ms-gamingoverlay pop-up and how to actually make sure that it doesn't show anymore. But first guys, if you want, you can go down on this video in the comment section and click on the first comment that I pinned. This will bring you to my Fiverr and here you can get a YouTube logo and banner or a modern minimalist YouTube logo and banner for your YouTube channel. But now back to the video. So I actually got this question a few times since I did a video on how to remove the Xbox Game Bar. It can have multiple reasons though, but mainly it's because you remove the Xbox Game Bar and Windows is trying to find a replacement for that. Now this is actually what the error message looks like. As you can see down here, it says pick an app, and when you click on it, it says get an app to open this ms-gamingoverlay link. And so your PC doesn't have an app that can open this link. Try looking for a compatible app in the Microsoft Store. So as I said, once again, it's really Windows attempting to finding a replacement for that application. But I'm actually going to show you how to remove it and prevent it from showing up whenever you launch a game, for example. So I'm going to go actually down here to search. Now we want to type registry and then editor. Now in Windows here is going to ask you, you're actually going to click yes. And so here we are in the registry of your PC. Now do follow my steps because it can actually be harming to Windows if you actually start changing things around here. So be careful with that, just follow the steps that I do. So first of all, we want to make sure it's selected to H key current user. Actually do this little arrow next to it. Then we want to go to software, once again the little arrow. Then go to Microsoft, go down to, all the way down here to Windows, so just Windows. Then here just underneath we have current version, click that one. And go down to where it says game DVR. Now just click on it, you don't have to do the little arrow and expand it. We're just going to click on game DVR. Now above here you have something that says AppCaptureEnabled. Now if you don't have that, I'll show you in a second how to actually get it. But basically you want to click on this AppCaptureEnabled. Just double click, and as you can see we have a hexadecimal and then the value of 1. Now you want to make sure that this is actually 0 and then you click OK. So now as you can double click on it again, as you can see I changed it to 0. Now in case you don't have the AppCaptureEnabled, you want to right click here anywhere in the blank space, click new, the word 32-bit value, and here you can rename it, and we're going to name it exactly the same. So it's going to be AppCaptureEnabled. So you really want to make sure you write it letter per letter, also with the capitals in there, with no mistakes and not missing one letter, because it will not work if you do anything wrong. So type it exactly as it is right now. And so then once again, of course, you double click on it. It's going to be the exact same process. You just want to make sure that this one is a 0 and then you click OK. So then we can actually go ahead and just close this, the whole registry. So you can just go up in the right corner and just close it. Now you could actually just go ahead here and restart your computer. It is actually optional, it shouldn't be necessary, but in case you can of course always do that if you want. And so after that, whenever you're launching a game or doing any other activities that could provoke that message to come, it should not pop up anymore after you've done these steps. In any case, if you have any questions, of course you can leave them down below. I hope in any case that this video helped you out. Please leave a like, would be really nice. Subscribe, also really nice. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.